Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can check the file size of your documents you create, edit and export from Affinity Designer onto your device before exporting it, so that you may know, for example, how large the given exported file or document or design will be to take space on your device. So let us get started. So guys, of course there's the way to navigate to the folder on your device and to look up the exported file from there, but before you do that, you can view the estimated file size before the exporting. So what you want to do is, let's say that's your document here on Affinity Designer. You may click into Edit in the top left, hover your mouse over Export, then choose Export or use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-Shift-W. And here guys, you will see that preset. So what you want to do is navigate to the Advanced section here to the right, scroll down if needed, and then you will see the estimated file size. So let's say, for instance, we choose a different resolution here, like 920 pixels by 1080, and you will see that the file size changes accordingly. So if you add any changes to your document or design, this will also impact the file size, and you will see the file size here so that you can confirm the export and save it with the given file size on your device. That's it guys, thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.